Hi folks, hi YouTube, I hope everyone's doing fine and well. I'm on a walk, I'm on Sheffield Road. It's quite a bad road here guys, as you can hear. So this is where we are. So we have a roadkill. Let's have a look. It's actually a roadkill. It's a female blackbird, so she ain't going to be laying any eggs this year. So it's a female blackbird guys. Yeah, roadkill. I find quite a lot of dead birds on this road actually. I found a big pheasant not that long ago, big male pheasant. I'm on my walk to Keppels Column, so I thought I'd show you this blackbird, female blackbird. It's a little short video guys, so that's where she is, female blackbird. She's got no ring on. So guys, she survived the winter. She survived the winter only to be knocked down on the road. So I'm off on a walk. I hope everyone's fine and taking care. God bless. I hope you're all fine with the virus. 1 year today. Wow. Show you where we are. Yeah, 1 year today. Lockdown guys. Okay, I'm off on my walks. Take care, God bless. Thumbs up, like the videos, share the videos please. Female blackbird, she isn't going to be nesting this year. So that's her. Bit of a pity, but thumbs up, like the videos guys. Take care, God bless. On my walk to Keppels Column.